Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about if you are facing low call volume problem on your iPhone. So keep watching this video until the end. So guys, there are several things you can try to fix low call volume on your iPhone. So guys, first of all, increase volume with volume up button, and after that, see the next some settings you can do it. Now guys, here are open setting application on your iPhone. You can see appears on screen. Here is first of all open accessibility. Here tap on it and tap on touch. You can see appears on screen, and here is scroll down. So guys, here is call audio routing. Tap on it, and guys, make sure is selecting must be automatic, not any other selected. And after that, this setting, now simply go back, and here is tap on hearing devices. You can see appears on screen, and after that you can see hearing aid compatibility must be turned off from here. Here simply go back from here, and after that you can see audio and visual. Tap on it, and guys, check phone noise cancellation. This feature can reduce background noise during calls, but it can also make the caller noise sound quieter. Try turning off. So guys, close window for some second and see the next physical setting. So guys, clean the receiver. The receiver is small slit at the top of phone where you put your ears. Use a soft brush to gently clean any dirt of debits that might be blocking the sound. So guys, you can remove the protected glass from your iPhone screen for this process for cleaning. After that, open setting, tap on general, and make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS update. Often include bug fixes that include improved call quality. So see that last solution is, and here is tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and tap on reset. You can see simply reset network setting of your iPhone, because so guys, by reset network setting something fix software glitches that might be causing the problem. So guys, I hope after watching my video your problem will be solved. If all the settings not work, it mean your iPhone hardware problem. So you can contact your iPhone repairing shop. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.